What is a slap-in-the-face job offer? I was working as a software engineer at this mid-sized tech company when they announced a company-wide hackathon. The CEO himself said whoever came up with the best idea would get special recognition and a chance to change the company's future. I stayed up all night working on this prototype for a mobile app that could scan grocery prices and compare them across nearby stores in real time. When I presented it the next morning, you could literally see the CEO's eyes light up. He pulled me aside after and said they wanted to fast-track this into full production immediately. I was pumped. This was my big break. They told me it would be a team effort, but what that really meant was I'd write every single line of code while other people got their names slapped on PowerPoint slides. For 6 months straight, I worked unpaid overtime, building the entire thing from scratch. Back-end, front-end, database integration, API connections with major retailers, everything. I was basically living at the office. My girlfriend started leaving dinner on my desk because I'd forget to eat. I coded the barcode scanner, the price comparison algorithm, the user interface, the notification system. Everything that made this app work came from my brain and my fingers on the keyboard. The app launched and absolutely exploded. 3 million downloads in 2 months. Grocery chains started paying us to be featured prominently. My little hackathon project was generating serious money for the company. But when it came time for credit, my name was nowhere to be found. The press releases mentioned the innovative development team, but never me specifically. I figured that was just corporate stuff, and my real reward would come in my paycheck. Then came the company-wide meeting where HR announced how grateful they were for everyone's contributions to the app's success. They were giving every employee a special bonus to show their appreciation. A $13 Starbucks gift card. $13. I literally laughed out loud because I thought it was a joke, but looking around the room, everyone was clapping politely and seemed to think this was normal. That same week, I found out the company had just signed a $6 million partnership deal with a major retail chain. $6 million for my app. And then the real slap came. They promoted my project manager, a guy who couldn't code his way out of a paper bag, to director of innovation and bought him a brand new Tesla as a company car. This man had spent our entire project asking me to explain basic programming concepts to him. His biggest contribution was suggesting we make the app more blue during design meetings. I walked into my manager's office that Friday, said absolutely nothing, sat down at my computer, and deleted every server key I'd created with my personal credentials. The entire back-end was locked to my accounts, and I was the only one with access. Then I typed up a 2-week notice and walked out. My manager was calling my phone within an hour, panicking because they realized they couldn't update or maintain the app without me. I let it go to voicemail. I spent the next 3 months rebuilding the entire app from memory, but better this time. I made a post on Reddit about what happened, and the open source community went absolutely insane supporting me. My new version hit the App Store and completely destroyed the original in downloads within 12 weeks. The old company tried to sue me for theft of intellectual property. Their lawyer quickly discovered that everything was built on my personal development accounts using my own code libraries, and I'd never signed any agreements giving them ownership. They lost.